everybody, as I promised, in this video I will show you how to install a pack with 100 transitions that I am leaving you for free in the description below. Intro. Okay guys, as soon as you click the link that I'm leaving in the description with the 100 free transitions, you're gonna come to this landing page, okay? It says 100 free transition pack, okay? Now what you need to do is to put your email here, you put like your email over here, and you press this button that says send me the pack. As soon as you do it, you will see this that says success. Now check your email and enjoy your transitions. So it means you have to check your email. So I already received the email. If you come here, you see the email, you can see that it says, thank you very much for watching my videos and whatever, blah, 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 blah. And then you have here 100 transitions pack. As soon as you click in 100 transitions pack, look what is going to happen. You are going to download the zip file where you have the transitions. Okay, now before we go to the installation of the transitions and explaining everything about these transitions, I would like you to see here. I'm also putting here that if you would like to support me, because I'm creating a lot of tutorials, and also if you would like to support me so that I can keep giving resources for free like these ones, you can actually support me, buy me a coffee. Okay, I'm going to show you how. It says here, buy me a coffee. There is a link here in the email you will receive. It's up to you. You can come here and you can see that you can buy me 1 coffee, 3 coffees, 5 coffees. You can actually put maybe 2 here if you want. Every coffee is $1, so it's really good and you will help me a lot. Now let's go back here. We have the transitions here downloaded. So I'm going to open the file. This is here. You come here, you right click and you put extract here. And there you go, you have the transitions there. Okay, now I'm going to come to Premiere Pro. I have these couple of videos here to show you how to use them. You're going to come to effects, okay? Not to effect control. You come to effects, okay? Effects normally are here down, but I always put it here because for me it's more comfortable to have it here on the top. So, okay, you go here in these 3 little lines, and you put import presets. You just click here, MarioTech 100 transitions. This is the one I'm sending you. And you're going to put open. That's it. It's installed. As you can see here in presets, it's already here, 100 transitions. If you click here, you see all of these transitions. Okay, they don't look 100, right? Yeah, because if you click here in bounce, for example, you have 4 here. If you click in bounce down, if you click it, you have 2 here. If you click it, you have 2 here. And then so on. You can go to cross spin. You can go, for example, to zoom. You have 4 zooms here. It's super cool, right? So let's start to practice. Let's start to see how can you use them. So let's use this spin. First, what we have to do is to create an adjustment layer. Because we are not going to put the transitions here. We're going to use an adjustment layer. So we're going to put the adjustment layer on the top. These transitions are working with 10 frames. What does it mean? That we're going to come here. We go to the middle in between the transitions. And we're going to go to 5 frames to the right and 5 frames to the left. I don't know if you knew this, but if you press shift and you move the arrow to the left, it goes exactly 5 frames. That's really cool. Now, because you see here in the transition says left and right, we're going to need to have 5 frames on the left and 5 frames on the right. So in the middle, we're also going to cut. And then we go to the right and we're going to cut. And then we're going to erase this. And that's it. We have here the adjustment layer is 5 frames here and 5 frames here. What we're going to do is to put this cross spin left in the left and this cross spin right in the right. There you go. So you can see it's in red. So if you want, you can actually render it to work it better. But let's see how it works. Super cool, huh? Now let's try another one, okay? Let's go here. I have another videos here. There you go. Let's go here. Let's do the same thing. Adjustment layer. Now with the adjustment layer, we're going to go in the middle. Then we're going to go 5 frames here. We cut in the middle. We go 5 frames here. And there you go. For example, we go to panoramics. We go to panoramics, let's see number 4. We put it on the left and the other we put it on the right. And then you can come here and you can see. Super cool. Okay. practice, enjoy the transitions, experiment, look for the transitions that you like better. These are 100 transitions for free that I did for you, so enjoy and keep creating. I have so many more packs to share with you, and not just transitions, so let me know in the comments what would you like me to prepare for you so that I can make a new pack for you to download. If you like this video, you help me a lot by subscribing. And if you want to support me so that I can keep creating more videos and giving away more resources and packs for you, I will leave you a link in the description below where you can actually buy me a coffee. It is a support and will be very appreciated. I'll see you in the next video.